Hey friends, my name is Mani, owner of Projects with Mani YouTube channel. And if anyone looking for a ready-made projects, or else if anyone stuck behind any projects regarding of making the project, or else regarding coding, or else regarding setup of the project, we provide the complete assistance which will be paid at lower cost. Or else if you want complete ready-made plug and play project at a lowest cost to your location, we will provide the projects at very low cost. So please do contact to this mail ID or else to this number. Thank you. Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and today in this video I will let you know how to make a real-time temperature and humidity monitoring system using NodeMCU and Blynk. And also we can able to see the real-time temperature and humidity values on 16x2 LCD display as well as in our mobile phone. As we can see, while I'm placing a file in front of a DHT sensor, the temperature and humidity are rising gradually. To make this project, the requirements that we need are a breadboard, NodeMCU, DHT11 sensor, 16x2 LCD display with I2C, and couple of jumper wires. Now follow this circuit diagram and make your connections. Now follow these steps for Blynk setup. Now follow these steps in your phone for Blynk setup in phone. Now plug the device to your PC. Now our project is ready to showcase the real-time temperature and humidity in a LCD display as well as in phone using Blynk IOT. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also do subscribe for more such videos, and don't forget to purchase ready-made projects from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.